What's new in VitalSigns for IP, or VIP, version 8? VIP was built from the ground up using browser-based GUI technology, and it was designed to be incredibly efficient. VIP provides both real-time and historical information with several canned reports that come with the product. It's easy to install and learn. And VIP is running in production in small shops of 100 MIPS to very, very large, complex shops, one having 110 LPARs and the other up to 160,000 MIPS. VIP lets you easily drill down from a big picture perspective of your network view with dashboards, but then you can go down and see the detailed and specific information about your network. We have added a control points at a glance and transmission points at a glance, along with further enhancements to the OSA monitoring and deeper fragmentation analysis. VIP is a real-time IP monitor with historical data and a full suite of diagnostics. You get a complete overview of your network from a single browser screen thanks to multiple collection methods. And it also auto-discovers your entire network with all the connections. VIP comes with a complete set of essential tools, diagnostic tools, for proactive information management. Our customers especially like the real-time IP packet trace and EE traceroute tools. And an important enhancement you'll see at the bottom of the slide is the further integration of VIP with its sister product, VNAC, for network and systems automation.
One of the major improvements from VIP version 7 to version 8 is that most of version 8 now understands IP version 6 addresses. The VIP batch job is for tracing network traffic has been expanded to include OSA traffic, so IP version 6 addressing, and also the new IPCS reporting formats and batch jobs. We have an online packet trace that can be configured to specifically read enterprise extended traffic. 2 new dashboards has been added, the control points at a glance and also the transmission groups at a glance. The interfaces at a glance has also been enhanced quite significantly, most of them having to do with OSA Express interfaces, also the configuration details, the data path and device information, also TRLE names and IP version 6 and MAC addresses. In VIP version 8, it now separates them out onto its own dViper tab, so that's really nice to get to the information if you're looking for specific dViper information. VIP version 8 can write new interface and DLC data to SMF records for reporting. VIP version 8 now monitors the state of TCP/IP interfaces every minute. So this fixed interval uses less CPU, and it also simplifies the computation of 1 and 5 minute activity accounts. Some of the other new features in VIP version 8 is the OSA monitoring has been improved and expanded in VIP version 8. You'll notice also the tabs are different. It's easier to get to the information depending on what you're looking for. The TCP/IP stacks monitoring has also been enhanced. Most notably, the stacks at a glance, it includes a number of new fields and reports. For example, IP version 6 and ICMP version 6 activity. Also, it's the TCP server backlogs, so something called the FRCA, or Fast Response Cache Accelerator. VIP version 8 for TN32.7 response time and TCP application monitoring includes GRE encapsulated connections. From a performance point of view, you now have the ability to fire up or start up the VIP server in deferred mode. VIP version 8 can also be configured to write DLC or data link control data to a new SMF subtype. Again, that is subtype 222. It is a 3-tier architecture, so it consists of a server, agent, and a browser. So customers can use a single server or multiple servers, as I mentioned. Other options available to you from a server point of view is to run it on a Windows platform, Linux, and Unix is also some of the options available to you. Let's examine some of the information on the interfaces at a glance. So you'll see we have some we have IP version 6 interfaces running in our environment. If I drag it to the right-hand side, I'll be able to show you some of the other information from an IP version 6 point of view. We can also resolve that IP version 6 address name to a DNS, so the IP address to a DNS name. Click on any one of these numerics over here, and then click on the 24-hour graph. We then will provide you with a timeline over a 24-hour period what has occurred. There we go. There you can see some of the information and how I'm plotting the inbound bytes. Yeah, you can see the auto-discovery of VIP and all of the applications. So whether it's TCP applications and UDP applications, VIP will certainly discover those applications for you. We also do show IPv6 here. As you can see, we have some IPv version 6 addresses over here. Here you can see it's a combination of IP version 4 and IP version 6. Here you can see some of the remote applications, maybe a print server or email server. I'll hit the start button, and now I'm starting an IP packet trace on this IPv6 address. Oh, there we go. There you can see some of the packets coming from this IP version 6 address. There you can see, for example, the life of the monitor, total number of transactions that these response times were measured over. But now you can see the connection summary, some of these panels over here, or the EE trace route. Using that particular function, you can do a trace route for certain of those ports. Or maybe if you're running extended border node, that could be something that you want to consider running this EE trace route. Inactive connections, if any EE connections goes away, we can report on those, and we can also alert you if they go away. So I've gone to the HPR connections at a glance. If you want to break it out from an LPAR utilization point of view, click on that tab, and now you can see, break it out from those different chip IDs and the image IDs. So this is a nice way of breaking it out. You can see the write queues also by selecting one of them. We'll then show you some of that information. There you can see the read queue information. There's the packets, accelerator packets. From this particular view, they could now view which is the busiest application in the environment. We have also added the VIP alert website, the alert contents. A lot of new information that is contained on the stacks at a glance. Just to show you some of the information, if I drag this to the right-hand side, here you can get some good information about the current stack storage usage.
In summary, VIP continues to be easy to use and intuitive. We've continued to build upon the lean design of VIP, thus making for a tool to help you be more proactive and hands-on with your IP monitoring and management. And again, everything that you saw today, VIP is one tool with all those features and functions.
Thank you for your interest in VitalSigns for IP version 8. There is so much more detail about VIP version 8 contained in this presentation. To hear about all the in-depth information about VitalSigns for IP version 8, go to our website and request a link to this webinar. Go to sdsusa.com. Remember, you can request a free trial period for this and other SDS products and partner products. Go to sdsusa.com or call us at 1-800-443-6183 or write to us at info@sdsusa.com. We look forward to hearing from you.